Hello Franklin, and welcome to another Wacky Wednesday where you have to log into Schoology to get counted as present for the school day.
All right, and that's wacky, all right. You know, what is not wacky, the Best Buddies organization. Best Buddies are meeting this afternoon. Brandon, show us those email addresses to use if we want more information.
Hey everybody, this Wednesday, October 28th at 2:30, we will be having our second Best Buddies meeting of the school year. If you want to join the meeting, email either Mr. Lawson or myself for the code. Hope to see you there.
The FBLA is also meeting today. That stands for the Future Business Leaders of America. That's a national, might even be an international group, headed by Miss Lindley and Mr. Yampieri, whose email addresses should hopefully be on the screen right now. You can get this down. There's also a Google Meet code, which hopefully is also on the screen right now. So if you want to stop the video, record that, go to their meeting. It starts at 2:30. It's a great organization, lots of competitive things going on. Get involved as a future business leader of America.
And the yearbook folks have information for underclassmen and seniors. Let's hear from two of the students on the yearbook staff.
Are you interested in making your debut in the Franklin High School yearbook? Well, you now can by submitting photos and answers to our many prompts in the Franklin High School webpage. You can access the Google Forms by going to franklinhs.bcps.org and then by going to News and Yearbook Information.
Attention seniors, if you're interested in having a senior quote or you want to vote for your senior superlatives, go to franklinhs.bcps.org. From there, go to News, What's New, and Yearbook Information. There you'll see the link and all the instructions for your quote and your votes. The deadline is November 30th with no extensions, so get on it.
The 100th student in grade 9, 10, or 11 to submit a portrait for the yearbook will get a free spread in the yearbook. That is great. It's a great deal, so go take a selfie and send it in. Be sure to follow the portrait instructions that are on the school website.
Okay. Yeah, Mr. Valentine, I remember back when we used to have students here in the schoolhouse, and occasionally, that was good times. Occasionally, you and Officer Spicer would drive over to Chick-fil-A during the school day. Why were you going over there?
You know what? We were very concerned about making sure students were in the right place, that they were safe, and that they were in school. So I would go over there to make sure that students were not there when they should be in school. That was my primary reason for going.
Nice. Did you ever get anything to eat over there?
Yeah, I got waffle fries. You know, I used to like to get waffle fries. So I would get waffle fries when I went over every once in a while.
Nice. Well, this cow says eat more chicken. And whether you're going to eat the chicken, the waffle fries, or my personal favorite, the Cobb salad with avocado ranch dressing, you should go to Chick-fil-A today between 5 and 7 p.m. Let's hear about that from a couple of our freshmen.
Hey, I'm Bryson.
And I'm Nicholas, and we're from the class of 2024. Come join us at Chick-fil-A across from Franklin.
This event will be held on Wednesday the 28th from 5 to 7.
And you can either do carry-out or pick-up.
Make sure to mention Franklin with your order.
Okay, again, that's from 5 to 7 today at the Chick-fil-A right across the street from the schoolhouse. Go in, support the class of 2024.
All right, and finally, today, the Maryland General Assembly PAGE program application is now available. This year's program will be held virtually, but pages will get the opportunity to have online discussions with Maryland senators and delegates and participate in online legislative sessions and committee hearings. Seniors who are interested in being a page in the Maryland General Assembly should contact Ms. Stifler by tomorrow to get an application.
Okay, that does it for today. So, Mr. Valentine, why don't you and I move on out of here and have a great rest of the day, everybody.
Let's see.